What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on VIH ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and the technical analysis for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this company had a massive price action at the beginning of this year, and then it fell down to the initial price target of around $10. And I have to say that VIH, it is a SPAC company. I will show you this in a minute. And right here we are, as you can see from latest several sessions, so we are up for about 13%. It is not the biggest movement, but it is the biggest volume, as you can see. And this volume indicates that we have a huge interest from retail investors and from other investors to this ticker. And this is quite promising, I have to say. And let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. So, as I already mentioned, VIH, it is a SPAC company, and the SPAC is basically blank check firm that is created to effect a merger, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more business or entities. And that is why we cannot rely on their financials, because it is a blank check firm. And the only number that is quite useful for us, it is a number of shares outstanding, and it is 25.92 million shares. So, and let me show you some more information, some more details about this company. VPC, Impact Acquisition Holdings, VIH, this SPAC that is taking cryptocurrency exchange backed public, and it was trading higher on September the 3rd. And as you can see, and higher means it is just 13%. Not so huge for SPAC company, but for the entire market is these really good gains. So let's continue right here. What is this backed exchange? Backed, a fast-growing fintech company, expects revenue after transaction expenses of $55 million in 2021, and then forecasts it's growing 75% compounded annually to $515 million. Rather good number, I have to say. It expects to turn adjusted EBITDA positive in 2023 and foresees its adjusted EBITDA rising to $285 million in 2025. The SPAC merger with the VIH valued backed at an EV enterprise value of $2.09 billion and an equity value of $2.66 billion, giving it a 2025 EV to EBITDA multiple of 7.4x. That multiple looks attractive compared with those of other fintech names. Overall, VIH stock looks like a good buy ahead of the merger. The company has strong management and is backed by New York Stock Exchange owner ICE, Intercontinental Exchange. ICE also participated in the PIPE deal, contributing $50 million to the $325 million total. So, as you can see from the fundamental standpoint, backed exchange is rather healthy, and it has very good numbers and rather good forecast. And that is why, in my opinion, on Tuesday, we might have basically in a couple of hours, and basically from this very point, we might have a huge price action with this stock. So, and let me show you institutional investors in this company. And right here we are on fintel.io, and we have several investors from 13G section, and we have a lot of investors in 13F and NP filings. And I have to say that a lot of positions made with the price of around $10. So if you want to invest in this company, in my opinion, it is not the best point, but it is still very good point, especially considering the current price of $18.16. And let me show you, after hours price is $11.43. So, and let me show you why this company might skyrocket today. We are on finviz.com, And let me show you that this company has a short float of 45.19%. It has extremely high short volume ratio. And right here, let me show to you more information, more details. Main catalysts for now is discussion on stock tweets and high short interest. Let me quote this for you. According to Fintel, VIH's FINRA short volume was 741,852 shares on September the 2nd, less than 25% of its total volume. However, another thing to consider is that VIH's average volume is just about 500,000. And this is really important. If VIH investors hold onto their stocks, they could trigger a short squeeze, though some shorts could be caught on the wrong foot. While short selling is legit, it's become a risky business as retail investors squeeze against hedge funds. And this is the main catalyst. If we will see today and basically tomorrow huge interest from retail investors to this stock, it is more than possible that this company will skyrocket. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you this price action. As you can see, according to RSI, we are pretty much neutral. We had this massive spike at the end of September the 2nd. And again, on September the 3rd, we had extremely high volume on the pre-market trading and on trading sessions as well. And that is why we might see the trend continuation, and according to RSI, we have plenty room to grow, and this is a quite good sign. On top of that, let me show you that I cannot make a real breakdown of this movement according to Elliott wave theory, and it is quite usual for this type of stocks and this type of activity that you cannot rely on Elliott wave theory, and in this case just use different tools in order to identify what type of targets we might have. So, first of all, what is the downside? Potential downside from the current price is around 13%. This means it is close to nothing compared to other meme stocks, potential losses, and that is why it is quite good potential trade where you can try to earn some money. So, and what are the targets? And let me show you again daily time frame. As you can see right here, we have very good support, and for now we hit exactly this level. As you can see, with this movement, this support becomes a resistance, and we hit it, have some pullback, and potentially we might have a next major leg to the upside. And our next target, it is a previous swing high, it is the level of $16. And next one is the level of $20, because it is a psychological number and it is a almost previous all-time high if we exclude this random week. And this is our next target, and definitely main target for now is $22.56. So what might be potential profits? From our current price, we might have about 42% to our first target, about 77% to our second target, and about 100% to our most aggressive target. And guys, let me remind you that you have to add your position laddering your buys down, because we might see huge volatility during the opening hours and on pre-market trading, and that is why you have always to ladder your buys down in order to have more attractive average price, and this average price will drastically improve your potential profits if we will hit our targets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious. It is a very risky trade, but it has a lot of upside potential. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!